Hey everybody, how's it going? So today we have a get another Guess What's in the Box video. So please stick around, check out the video, and I'll see you guys there. Thank you for watching. Alright everybody, so this is another Guess What's in the Box video. This one does have information on it, as you can tell. But, what do you guys think's in the box? We know it's from Tekton. So, the length of the box is 20 and 7/8 long. 20 inches and 7/8 of an inch long. It is 14 inches and 1/4 of an inch wide. And it is 4 inches deep. Exactly. What do you guys think is in this box? I can tell you right now, it is heavy. It's probably 35, maybe even 40 pounds. Or maybe a little lighter. Somewhere in the range of 29 to 35 pounds for this guy. I got another small one right there. That's another video. Let me know what you guys think it is below. Please like, comment, subscribe. Hit the bell notification icon for future updates. If you guys like these videos, as also as an update, if you guess right, I will send you guys I'll get your information from you, whoever guesses right. I will send you guys an Also Tool sticker and a Wrench Trench Garage sticker. I do appreciate you guys' time and you guys hanging out with me today and playing along and having fun with me. Please go check out my Amazon affiliate links, my Acme Tools affiliate links, my DJI Electronics affiliate links, as well as my Ohio Power Tools affiliate links. And the top of the description below, I have a Also Tools link with my initials on it. If you guys click on that link, you can get 10% off your order from alsotools.com, as well as if you guys put your email in, it will also provide me a 10% off my next order from Also Tools, which is awesome. Helps me out, helps you guys out. If you guys need organization or anything from Also Tools, go give them a check out and see if there's anything you like over there and use the link and save some money. Appreciate you guys watching, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace!